Just because you've got an older truck doesn't mean you don't deserve to see and be seen. Our friends at Morimoto dropped a set of the 08 through 10 XB Hybrid heads in our lap here today at TRS, and what is not to like? More modern style, more light, that sexy bright DRL. Let's check these things out. We'll show you what they look like. The design of the Morimoto XB Hybrids for the 08 through 10 Super Duty trucks is reminiscent of the more modern OEM LED headlights, and I must say it's quite fitting as a facelift on these things. The LED daytime running light is powered by Osram 5K LEDs and is probably bright enough to illuminate the road more effectively than your stock halogen headlights. Looks amazing in general and really works here. With the hybrids, you'll reuse your stock halogen turn signal light bulb right there in the middle of the light, which on one hand is nice in order to avoid any hyperflash shenanigans. Of course, if you're all about having an LED turn signal, not a problem either. You could always put a set of plug-and-play LED bulbs right in the middle too. I must hand it to the Morimoto guys for continuing to build headlights that aren't all about looks and nothing more. I've seen the full spectrum, and trust me, most aftermarket headlights end up being quite a downgrade in the light output department, but that's far from the case here. The XB Hybrids use a dedicated low and high beam LED projector that produces a supremely wide, bright, and properly distributed beam pattern. Not only that, but these optics meet and exceed all SAE and DOT standards and come out of the box fully aimed to OEM spec. Yes, they are adjustable too. You can probably just throw away your old headlights now. As for wiring, Morimoto's LED headlights are designed to work on your Super Duty without any modifications. Very simple plug-and-play setup with just a few connections that you should be able to set up in no time flat. Nobody likes to cut and splice wiring, and Morimoto respects that. What does a 10-year-old Super Duty and a brand new U-Haul have in common? Why, the stock garbage headlights, of course. Guys, if you're driving one of these trucks, I guarantee you can't see that much at night. I don't have to convince you on that. My name is TRS Matt. These headlights are the real deal solution for you. Give us one call, that's all.